Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Cash App. Your account is closed, so you won't be able to continue. If you're using Cash App and you're having this type issue that your Cash App account has been closed, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So you just have to go back, and from here you have to make sure that you are connected to a strongest internet connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So open settings, and here you just have to go for general, and in general you have to look for VPN and device management. So just look for that, and here you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, or if you're connected, try to disconnect with your VPN. Once you have disconnected, so it will almost fix your issue, because sometimes it might be that your if internet is weak or you are connected to VPN, so you might get these type issues. So after that, if you're still having the same issues, you have to open your app store, and here you have to simply search for cash, and you'll find the cash app here. Once you find Cash App, you just have to make sure that you haven't any pending update in your Cash App, or if you find anyone, try to update your Cash App. And once you have updated your Cash App, your issue will be fixed. Or if it's not work for you, you have to open your settings again, go for general again, go for iPhone storage, and you have to look for Cash App here. And once you find Cash App, you just have to try to offload your app. Tap on offload app, then tap on offload app again, then tap on reinstall apps, because if there will be any bug into your Cash App, so it will be fixed in this step. Or if this doesn't work for you and you are still having the same issues, so it might be that there will be an issue with your account. So you just have to open your browser, and here you have to simply search for Cash App Support. Once you have searched, you will get different search results here, and from here, very first you will find a phone number, which is the official support number of Cash App, or you can tap on this website and open the Cash App support website, and you